What's up, YouTube? YugiDude 3000 here, and today I have another Lord of Tachyon Galaxy booster box to open for you. Yes, this is another one. Let's open it up, check it out, see if we get something cool. Let's open this up. Everybody liked the last one I did, so let's do another one. Why not? You know what I'm saying? There we go. Okay. So here we go, Lord of Tachyon Galaxy. Come on. See if we get a ghost this time. And a cool secret. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna try and go fast and not make this one too long. Another Hulk. Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. Just a rare. Oh, I forgot that. Big Whale, and then a Gear. Super rare. Let's go fast here. Come on, let's go fast. A Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo. Rare. Next pack. Baby Dragon. A Go Gigas. Go Gigas. So far, one super. Try for Triceratops. Another rare. Next pack. Here we go. A Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. Another rare. Here we go. Come on. So get a secret or a ghost. Xyz's Revenge and a Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor. Super rare. There we go. A Ice Beast Zero Fine. And a Harpy Chancellor. Pretty cool. Harpy Chancellor. Very sweet. A Reeboks Dragon Ruler of Boulders. King of the Fair Limps, the Hulk. They're gonna fight each other. A Do a Barrel Roll. That's a funny name right there. Do a barrel roll. You know what? Just do a barrel roll, man. Get out of there. Do a barrel roll. Just a rare. Altitude Knight. Well, I don't think there's gonna be a secret on the right side. The last pack on the right side. A Mega Phantom Beast Tether Wolf and a Noble Arms of Destiny. Super rare. We got 4 hollows from the right side. Now the left side. Here we go. That means our secret is on our left side and possibly a ghost. The Hulk and King of Fair Limps. Again, they're fighting each other. Fairy Cheer Girl. Just a rare. Here we go. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino. Come on, let's get a ghost. I would love to get a ghost. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Buffalo and a Constellar Omega Ultimate again. My last booster box, I got an Ultimate Constellar Omega, And now I got another one. It's pretty cool. So far, no secret. Got the Hulk again. Altitude Knight and a secret Torrential Reborn. It's not the secret I wanted, but it still looks pretty cool. Get the effect. It's our secret rare. Let's see, maybe we might get another one or a ghost. I'd like to get a ghost. That'd be pretty cool. Get the Hulk. XYZ Revenge or Xyz Revenge, and the Evil Swarm Tachyon. Super rare. Pretty cool. There we go. Battling Boxer Lead Yoke. Pack one open. There we go. Okay. A Will of Prophecy. Just a rare. You got what, 5 more packs left? Come on. I want a ghost. I want a ghost. A Mega Phantom Beast Tether Wolf. And a Mega Phantom Beast Hamstrat. Pretty cool. Oh, it looks like a hamster. Yeah, that's why it's called Hamstrat. Look, it looks like a hamster. I used to have a hamster. Pretty cool. It's a hamster. Okay. 4 more packs left. Brotherhood of the Firefist Rhino. Green Dustin. Fairy Chill Girl. And a Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Tracer. That was the promo for the sneak peek. Got 2 more packs left. I think I got everything already. Yeah, I think I have everything already. But who knows? I could probably still pull a ghost. Come on. If I'm lucky. Come on, luck. Do a barrel roll. Do the roll. It's a funny card. And the last pack. Come on, please get a ghost. Come on, ghost. Or at least get a Hulk. Come on, Hulk. And a Hulk. Tempest Dragon Roller of Storms. And just a rare. And no Hulk. So here we go. Here's everything I got. Let me fix it up here. Okay, here we go. I have a Mecha Phantom Beast Mega Raptor, a Gear, a Noble Arms of Destiny, a Mecha Phantom Beast Turtle Tracer, a Evil Swarm Tachyon, a Mecha Phantom Beast Hamstrat, a Harpy Chancellor, pretty cool, a Constellar Omega Ultimate, and a Secret Rare Torrential Reborn. Pretty cool looking. So there's everything. Everything is for sale or trade. Just PM me. And remember to like and subscribe. And see you later.